Welcome to our deep dive into the world of cancer stem cell therapy. Today, we'll explore how this innovative approach is changing the landscape of cancer treatment. Cancer stem cells are a unique subset of cells within a tumor believed to drive its growth and recurrence. Unlike regular cancer cells, these stem cells can self-renew and resist conventional therapies, making them a critical target for new treatments. Understanding their role is the first step toward more effective and lasting cancer therapies. Let's begin by uncovering what makes these cells so unique and why they matter in the fight against cancer. Cancer stem cells, often abbreviated as CSCs, are a small population of cells found within tumors. These cells have the remarkable ability to self-renew, much like normal stem cells, but they also possess the dangerous trait of giving rise to new cancer cells. This means that even if most of the tumor is destroyed, CSCs can survive and regenerate the tumor, leading to relapse. Their resilience and adaptability make them a major focus for researchers aiming to develop therapies that can truly eradicate cancer at its root. Origins of cancer stem cells are still being unraveled. Some scientists believe they arise from normal stem cells that acquire mutations, while others suggest they may develop from more mature cells that revert to stem-like state. Regardless of their origin, what's clear is that CSCs play a pivotal role in tumor initiation, progression, and resistance to therapy. By understanding where these cells come from, researchers hope to design better strategies to target and eliminate them. Additional cancer treatments like chemotherapy and radiation often shrink tumors but may leave cancer stem cells behind. These surviving cells can lead to tumor regrowth and metastasis, making long-term remission difficult. Targeting cancer stem cells directly offers a promising way to prevent recurrence and improve patient outcomes. By focusing on the root of the problem, therapies can become more effective and durable, offering hope for lasting cures. One of the most challenging aspects of cancer stem cells is their resistance to standard treatments. CSCs have unique mechanisms that allow them to survive chemotherapy and radiation, such as efficient DNA repair, drug efflux pumps, and the ability to remain dormant. These traits mean that while most cancer cells are destroyed, CSCs can persist and eventually regenerate the tumor. Understanding these resistance mechanisms is crucial for developing therapies that can overcome them. Identifying cancer stem cells within a tumor is a key challenge. Researchers use specific markers, proteins found on the surface of CSCs, to distinguish them from other cancer cells. Common markers include CD44, CD133, and ALDH1. These markers not only help in identifying CSCs but also serve as potential targets for new therapies. By honing in on these unique features, scientists can develop drugs that selectively attack cancer stem cells while sparing healthy tissue. Cancer stem cell therapy is an emerging field focused on eradicating CSCs to achieve long-lasting cancer remission. Unlike traditional therapies that target rapidly dividing cells, CSC therapy aims to eliminate the root cause of tumor growth and recurrence. This approach involves using drugs, antibodies, or even gene editing to specifically target and destroy cancer stem cells. The hope is that by removing these cells, the cancer cannot return. Several drugs are being developed to target cancer stem cells. These drugs work by interfering with the pathways that allow CSCs to survive and self-renew. Some drugs block specific proteins on the surface of CSCs, while others disrupt the signals that keep them alive. Clinical trials are underway to test the safety and effectiveness of these new treatments, offering hope for more successful cancer therapies in the future. Antibody-based therapies are another promising strategy for targeting cancer stem cells. These therapies use specially designed antibodies that bind to markers on the surface of CSCs, flagging them for destruction by the immune system. This targeted approach helps minimize damage to healthy cells and increases the chances of eliminating the cancer at its source. Researchers are optimistic that antibody therapies will become a key part of future cancer treatment. Gene editing technologies like CRISPR are opening new doors in cancer stem cell therapy. By precisely altering the genes that allow CSCs to survive and proliferate, scientists hope to render these cells harmless. Early research shows promise, but there are still many challenges to overcome, including ensuring safety and avoiding unintended effects. As gene editing advances, it could become a powerful tool in the fight against cancer. Immunotherapy, which harnesses the body's own immune system to fight cancer, is being adapted to target cancer stem cells. By training immune cells to recognize and attack CSCs, researchers hope to achieve more durable responses and prevent relapse. This approach is still in early stages, but it represents a promising avenue for future cancer treatments, especially when combined with other therapies. Many experts believe that the most effective way to eliminate cancer stem cells is through combination therapies. By using multiple approaches, such as drugs, antibodies, and immunotherapy, doctors can attack CSCs from different angles. This strategy increases the chances of success and reduces the likelihood that CSCs will develop resistance. Combination therapies are already showing promise in clinical trials. Despite the promise of cancer stem cell therapy, there are significant challenges to overcome. CSCs are rare and difficult to isolate, making research and treatment development complex. Additionally, CSCs can change their characteristics, making them moving targets. Overcoming these hurdles will require continued innovation and collaboration among scientists, clinicians, and patients. Environment surrounding cancer stem cells, known as the tumor microenvironment, plays a crucial role in their survival and behavior. Factors like blood vessels, immune cells, and signaling molecules can protect CSCs and help them evade treatment. Targeting the microenvironment in addition to CSCs themselves is an emerging strategy that could improve therapy outcomes. Cancer stem cells are thought to play a key role in metastasis, the process by which cancer spreads to other parts of the body. Their ability to migrate and establish new tumors makes them especially dangerous. Therapies that target CSCs could help prevent metastasis and improve survival rates for patients with advanced cancers. Personalized medicine is becoming increasingly important in cancer treatment, and this extends to cancer stem cell therapy. By analyzing the unique characteristics of a patient's tumor and CSCs, doctors can tailor therapies to be more effective. This individualized approach holds great promise for improving outcomes and reducing side effects. Solid tumors, such as those found in the breast, lung, and colon, often contain cancer stem cells. Targeting CSCs in these tumors is a major focus of current research. Early studies suggest that therapies aimed at CSCs can shrink tumors more effectively and reduce the risk of recurrence, offering new hope for patients with solid cancers. Blood cancers, such as leukemia, also contain cancer stem cells that drive disease progression. Researchers are developing therapies that specifically target these cells, aiming to achieve deeper and longer-lasting remissions. Success in this area could transform the outlook for patients with blood cancers. Many cancer stem cell therapies are currently being tested in clinical trials around the world. These studies are essential for determining the safety and effectiveness of new treatments. Early results are encouraging, with some therapies showing the ability to reduce tumor size and prevent relapse. Continued progress in clinical trials will be key to bringing CSC therapies to more patients. As with any new therapy, safety is a top priority in cancer stem cell research. Scientists are carefully monitoring for potential side effects, such as damage to healthy stem cells or unintended consequences in the body. Rigorous testing and oversight are essential to ensure that CSC therapies are both safe and effective for patients. Development of cancer stem cell therapies raises important ethical questions. Issues such as informed consent, access to experimental treatments, and the use of genetic editing must be carefully considered. Open dialogue among researchers, patients, and policymakers is essential to ensure that advances in CSC therapy are guided by ethical principles. New cancer therapies, including those targeting stem cells, can be expensive and may not be accessible to all patients. Ensuring that these treatments are affordable and widely available is a major challenge. Policymakers, healthcare providers, and researchers must work together to address these issues and ensure equitable access to life-saving therapies. Hearing from patients who have participated in cancer stem cell therapy trials can provide valuable insights. Their experiences highlight both the promise and the challenges of these new treatments. Personal stories remind us of the real impact that scientific advances can have on people's lives, inspiring hope and determination in the fight against cancer. Leading research institutions around the world are at the forefront of cancer stem cell therapy development. Their work involves not only laboratory research but also clinical trials and patient care. Collaboration among institutions accelerates progress and brings new therapies to patients more quickly. Government agencies play a crucial role in regulating cancer stem cell therapies. They ensure that new treatments meet strict safety and efficacy standards before they reach patients. Regulatory oversight helps protect patients and maintain public trust in emerging therapies. Future of cancer stem cell therapy is bright, with ongoing research focused on improving effectiveness, reducing side effects, and expanding access. New technologies such as artificial intelligence and advanced imaging are helping researchers better understand CSCs and develop more precise treatments. The next decade promises exciting advances in this field. Raising public awareness about cancer stem cell therapy is essential for its success. Education helps patients make informed decisions and encourages support for research. Outreach programs, patient advocacy groups, and media coverage all play a role in spreading knowledge about this promising field. Cancer stem cell therapy development requires collaboration among scientists, clinicians, engineers, and data analysts. By bringing together experts from different fields, we can accelerate discovery and translate research into real-world treatments more efficiently. Interdisciplinary teamwork is a cornerstone of progress in this area. Advanced technologies, such as high-throughput screening and bioinformatics, are revolutionizing cancer stem cell research. These tools allow scientists to analyze vast amounts of data and identify new targets for therapy. Technology is making it possible to develop more effective and personalized treatments at a faster pace. Monitoring patients after cancer stem cell therapy is critical for detecting any signs of relapse and managing side effects. Regular follow-up visits, imaging, and blood tests help doctors track progress and adjust treatment plans as needed. Ongoing monitoring ensures the best possible outcomes for patients. One of the main goals of cancer stem cell therapy is to achieve long-term remission and improve survival rates. Early results suggest that targeting CSCs can lead to more durable responses, but more research is needed to understand the full impact. Tracking long-term outcomes will help refine therapies and guide future research. Preventing cancer relapse is a major challenge, and cancer stem cell therapy offers new hope in this area. By eliminating the cells responsible for tumor regrowth, these therapies may significantly reduce the risk of recurrence. Ongoing research is focused on making relapse prevention a reality for more patients. Children with cancer may also benefit from therapies targeting cancer stem cells. Pediatric tumors can contain CSCs that drive disease progression and relapse. Developing safe and effective CSC therapies for children is a top priority, with the goal of improving survival and quality of life for young patients. The impact of cancer stem cell therapy extends beyond individual patients. As these therapies become more widely available, they have the potential to transform cancer care worldwide. Reducing recurrence rates and improving survival can have a profound effect on public health and healthcare systems globally. Support systems for patients undergoing cancer stem cell therapy are essential. Counseling, support groups, and patient education programs help individuals cope with the challenges of treatment and recovery. A strong support network can make a significant difference in patient outcomes and well-being. Family members and caregivers play a vital role in supporting patients through cancer stem cell therapy. Their encouragement, assistance with daily tasks, and emotional support are invaluable. Recognizing and supporting caregivers is an important part of comprehensive cancer care. Undergoing cancer treatment, including stem cell therapies, can be emotionally challenging. Addressing the psychological impact is crucial for patient well-being. Access to mental health resources, counseling, and peer support can help patients manage stress and maintain a positive outlook during their journey. Proper nutrition plays a key role in recovery from cancer stem cell therapy. A balanced diet supports the immune system, promotes healing, and helps patients regain strength. Nutritionists and healthcare teams work together to create personalized plans that meet each patient's needs. Physical rehabilitation is often an important part of recovery after cancer stem cell therapy. Exercise programs, physical therapy, and activity planning help patients regain mobility and strength. Rehabilitation specialists work closely with patients to set achievable goals and monitor progress. Like all cancer treatments, stem cell therapies can cause side effects. Managing these effects is a key part of patient care. Doctors and nurses provide medications, advice, and support to help patients cope with symptoms and maintain their quality of life throughout treatment. Empowering patients with knowledge and resources enables them to take an active role in their treatment. Education about cancer stem cell therapy, treatment options, and self-care strategies helps patients make informed decisions and feel more in control of their health journey. Cancer stem cell therapy represents a beacon of hope for patients and families affected by cancer. As research advances and therapies become more effective, the possibility of lasting remission and even cures becomes more real. The journey is ongoing, but the future is brighter than ever before. Staying up to date with the latest developments in cancer stem cell therapy is important for patients, caregivers, and healthcare professionals. Reliable sources of information such as medical journals, patient organizations, and healthcare providers can help everyone stay informed and make the best choices. Community support plays a vital role in the cancer journey. Local organizations, support groups, and online communities provide encouragement, share resources, and foster connections among patients and families. Together, we can build a strong network of support for everyone affected by cancer. In summary, cancer stem cell therapy is a rapidly evolving field with the potential to revolutionize cancer treatment. By targeting the root cause of tumor growth and recurrence, these therapies offer new hope for patients worldwide. Continued research, collaboration, and support will be essential as we move forward. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of cancer care.